Organic fertilizer production process. Raw material, livestock and poultry manure, crop straw, dregs, slag, microbial agents are fermented into powder organic fertilizer. According to the different materials, the granulation water should be between 30% and 40%, and it can be held in the hands, and it can be broken easily. The granulator uses the new type organic fertilizer granulator. The effect of granulation. The particles are shaped by a bowl shaping machine. Particles after shaping by bowl shaping machine. The granules enter the rotary screening machine for screening to small granules and impurities. High-quality fertilizer granules. Finished organic fertilizer granules.